Navigating airport security can be a breeze with a few strategic tips. Here are the top 5 to ensure a smooth experience. The 3-1-1 rule still applies. Pack liquids, gels, and aerosols in 3.4-ounce, 100 ml containers, all fitting into a single, quart-sized, clear, resealable bag. Place this bag in an easily accessible part of your carry-on for a swift inspection. To speed through security, keep electronics easily accessible. Place laptops, tablets, and e-readers in a separate bin for screening. Consider investing in a TSA-approved laptop bag for added convenience. Choose footwear that's easy to slip on and off. This not only speeds up your passage through security, but also makes the process more comfortable for you and fellow travelers. Perhaps the ultimate time saver, TSA PreCheck grants you expedited security screening. With PreCheck, you can keep your shoes, belts, and light jackets on, and your liquids and electronics can stay in your bag. The process involves a background check and an interview, but pays off in efficiency for frequent travelers. Large jewelry, belts with substantial metal buckles, and excessive accessories can trigger additional screening. Minimize metallic items or be prepared to remove and place them in a bin. Make your airport security experience seamless by incorporating these tips. Subscribe for more travel insights and share this video to help fellow travelers navigate airports with ease.